Alright, what's up guys, Outperform Garage here. So today we're going to be doing a tire rotation on my Silverado and an oil change, because it's due for an oil change and the tire rotation is due as well. So you can see the back tires are kind of gone, and then the front ones are way better. I mean, I don't know how that happened, but I think someone's doing burnouts in my truck. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna get this thing lifted up on the lift, I guess. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the oil change first, and then the tire rotation. And yeah, and updates on the Civic. I haven't posted a video in about a week because I've been really busy trying to figure out some things I'm gonna do for the Civic, because I'm doing a double DIN install. As you can see there, got a app radio double DIN. Sorry about that, it's my dog. And I need to figure out what type of speakers I'm gonna get and stuff like that. That way I'll put it all in one video. But let me just give you a little preview of this, if it works. Yeah, it does. And then down here I got everything kind of organized. So yeah. Anytime you're lifting up a vehicle or a truck like this especially, I recommend using a rear jack, a spin jack, to add some support to the rear of the truck. So yeah, just give it a little bit of a, see how it's still turning? Just give it a little bit of a turn, and that's it. Just add some support back here. That way it doesn't wobble around on you. Here's the exhaust I got going on. It's a Camaro exhaust. It's got an outlet over here and an outlet over here. Sounds pretty nice. As you can see, like, my truck is pretty clean underneath, because I take the time to like wash it underneath too, because every now and then I'll go mudding and I'll get dirt all under here, but I wash the underside of the truck, that way it can stay as clean as possible. Because, you know, pavement princess, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so let's get this oil changed. I have a filter here, and that's a part number 21522. Let me go check if I have one before I start doing this. If I do have one, this video will be on YouTube. If I don't, then it won't be on YouTube. Alright, so I'm letting it drain. As you can see, it's like pretty black. I have quite a bit of blow-by on my truck. I don't know if it's because of the aluminum block, or it has 108,000 miles on it, but I don't know. 108,000 miles. So I don't know if that's affecting it. I don't know if these aluminum engines like go quicker, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna be painting my cross member black. I'm gonna be removing the plastic piece that goes here, just because I feel it'll look nicer during the nighttime, because I'm gonna get rock lights pretty soon. So to make it look nicer, I'm just gonna get all this gunk scraped off. Got this scraped down with like a metal grinder. Then I'm smoothing it out with a red wheel, so that way it can be smooth when I lay on the paint. We gon' be alright. We gon' be okay. 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 We gon' be alright. Must have been 211 when the world ended. At least it felt like it at the time. Teenage years make a heartbreak worse. Plus a lot was going on, couldn't stop it at the time. Dad tried to flip the house.
funny that it all ended upside down. Known for being optimistic, started feeling different. Couldn't fix it, started writing lyrics, all because nobody tried to hear it. Around the same time, hooked to the nicotine. Music and the smoke were synonymous to me, it seemed. Paid prices through devices, both sides. Obsessed with a vision, I knew I could make mine. I knew it would take time, I knew they would outshine. Thought it was just music, didn't know that they would take
Okay, hold on, wait a minute. All good, just for a week ago.
It's almost dead. Yeah, is it flashing? Oh, fuck. And then you just want to go snug and then a little tight. So you're going to do this. 1, 2. Then that's to secure it. That way you don't get oil coming out while you're driving. And you just clean it up. That way you're not making a mess all over the shop floor. And you're good. There we go. Recording.